This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus key battery. This easy method will save you time and a trip to the dealership. First, gather your simple tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery. Most Lexus key fobs use a CR2016 or CR2032 battery, so check your existing one. Having these ready makes the process smooth and quick, taking only a few minutes of your time. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or notch, usually on the side or bottom edge. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. This step reveals the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently use your screwdriver to pop out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2016 or CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Now, test all the functions, like locking and unlocking your car doors and activating the panic button. Your Lexus key fob should now be fully operational with its fresh, new battery, ready for many more months of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.